Ever wondered what makes New York pizza so unique and delicious? Let's take a step back in time to the late 19th century, when the first wave of Italian immigrants brought the culinary treasure of pizza to the shores of America. But it was in the bustling streets of New York City where this humble dish found its second home and a new identity. The city's first pizzeria, Lombardi's, opened in 1905, and it was here, in the heart of Little Italy, that the New York pizza was born. This wasn't just any pizza. This was a pie with a thin, crispy crust, a robust tomato sauce, and a generous layer of melted mozzarella. As the decades passed, the New York pizza evolved, absorbing the city's energy and diversity into its flavor. But what truly sets it apart from its Italian cousin or its Chicago rival is its texture. The New York pizza slice is a marvel of balance, crispy on the bottom, yet flexible enough to fold. This foldability is a distinctive feature, a testament to the city's on-the-go lifestyle, allowing New Yorkers to enjoy their beloved pizza anywhere, anytime. And let's not forget the toppings. A traditional New York-style pizza keeps it simple with cheese and a sprinkle of fresh basil. But in a city known for its culinary innovation, the options are boundless. From pepperoni to sausage, mushrooms to bell peppers, each topping adds a new dimension to the pizza's flavor profile. Though pizza is loved nationwide, it holds a special place in the hearts of New Yorkers. In fact, they love it so much that they eat an average of 6 slices per month, making pizza a significant part of their culinary landscape. The flavor of New York pizza? It's a symphony of simplicity and richness, a reflection of the city itself. It's a taste that's been chased and replicated, but never quite captured anywhere else in the world. So, the next time you bite into a slice of New York pizza, remember the rich history behind it, and as the flavors dance on your tongue, know that you're experiencing a piece of the Big Apple's culinary magic. What makes New York pizza different from the rest? Well, the secret lies in its ingredients. Let's start with the dough. It's thin yet sturdy, with a distinct crunch on the outside and a soft chewiness on the inside. This perfect balance is achieved by using high-gluten bread flour, which gives the crust its unique texture. Then, there's the sauce. Unlike other pizzas where the sauce might take a back seat, the sauce in a New York pizza is a star in its own right. It's a simple blend of canned tomatoes, fresh garlic, and a unique blend of Italian herbs and spices. Not too sweet, not too tangy, just the perfect balance to complement the crust. And let's not forget the cheese. A generous layer of low-moisture mozzarella is the classic choice for a New York pizza. It melts beautifully, creating a creamy, stretchy blanket that envelops the pizza. And that's the secret behind the irresistible taste of New York pizza. What toppings can you find on a New York-style pizza? Now that's a delicious question. The classic toppings found on a New York-style pizza are a delightful mix that contributes to its unique flavor profile. Starting with the basics, we have the mozzarella cheese, a staple on any pizza, but especially important on a New York slice. The cheese is often fresh, adding a creamy, slightly tangy taste that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Then we have the pepperoni, a fan favorite. The pepperoni's spicy and smoky flavor gives that extra kick that many pizza lovers crave. It crisps up during baking, adding a delightful crunch to every bite. Of course, we can't forget the Italian sausage, mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. Each of these ingredients adds its own flavor, creating a symphony of tastes in your mouth. Remember, the beauty of a New York pizza lies in its adaptability. You can customize your toppings according to your taste buds. The toppings on a New York pizza are as diverse as the city itself. What is the most popular type of pizza in New York? Now that's like asking to choose a favorite child, but we'll give it a shot. New York is a city that thrives on diversity, and its pizza scene is no different. Here, you can find every style of pizza under the sun, but the classic New York-style thin-crust pizza reigns supreme. With its hand-tossed thin crust, slightly charred from the high heat of the brick oven, it is a slice of heaven that New Yorkers can't resist. Then, there's the margherita pizza. This simple yet elegant pie, adorned with fresh mozzarella, basil, and a dash of tomato sauce, is a close second. Its simplicity allows the quality of the ingredients to shine through. And of course, who could forget the pepperoni pizza? It's a perennial favorite, with its spicy, crispy pepperoni slices adding a kick to every bite. New Yorkers sure know how to pick their pizza! Why do Americans love pizza so much? Well, that's a question with a myriad of answers. First and foremost, pizza is the epitome of convenience. It's fast, it's easy, and it's accessible. In the hustle and bustle of American life, especially in a city that never sleeps like New York, pizza provides a quick and satisfying meal. But it's not just about convenience. Pizza is also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a vegetarian, a meat lover, or somewhere in between, there's a pizza for you. From the classic margarita to the adventurous buffalo chicken, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the cheese. Ooey, gooey, melty cheese that's the stuff of dreams. Now let's talk about taste. There's something about the combination of a crispy yet chewy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and that aforementioned dreamy cheese that's just, for lack of a better word, irresistible. And when it comes to New York pizza, it's all about the balance. The sauce isn't too sweet, the cheese isn't too heavy, and the crust isn't too doughy. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that just works. So how often do New Yorkers eat pizza? The answer might surprise you. According to a study, the average New Yorker eats a slice of pizza every 4 days. That's right, every 4 days? That's more than 70 pizzas a year. But can you blame them? With a pizzeria on practically every corner, it's hard to resist the allure of a hot, fresh slice. But perhaps the biggest reason Americans, and particularly New Yorkers, love pizza so much is the sense of community it fosters. Pizza is a shared experience, a reason to gather with friends and family. It's the food of celebrations, late-night study sessions, and lazy Sunday afternoons. Pizza is much more than just a food in America, it's a lifestyle. What is the flavor of New York pizza? Immerse yourself in the captivating taste journey of New York pizza. Its flavor profile is a triumphant blend of bold and subtle notes. The base is a thin, hand-tossed crust, crisp on the outside, yet soft and chewy within. It serves as the canvas for a rich, slightly sweet and tangy tomato sauce, a secret recipe handed down through generations. Atop this, a liberal layer of perfectly melted, slightly browned mozzarella cheese. The cheese, a star in itself, adds a creamy, milky flavor that harmonizes with the robust sauce. The toppings, though optional, are the cherry on the cake. From spicy pepperoni to earthy mushrooms, each adds a unique layer to the overall symphony of flavors. But what truly sets the New York pizza apart is the hint of smokiness from the traditional coal-fired ovens, a signature trait that cannot be replicated. The flavor of New York pizza is as iconic as the city skyline. What is Brooklyn-style pizza, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. Brooklyn-style pizza is a unique spin on the classic New York pizza, and it's a culinary adventure that's worth exploring. Like its New York counterpart, Brooklyn-style pizza is a testament to simplicity and quality, but it does things a little differently. Instead of the traditional thick, doughy crust that's synonymous with New York-style pizza, Brooklyn-style pizza boasts a thin, crispy crust that's light yet robust enough to hold a generous helping of toppings. Speaking of toppings, Brooklyn-style pizza isn't shy about them. While New York pizza often sticks to the basics, Brooklyn-style pizza embraces diversity. You'll find a wide array of toppings from the standard mozzarella and tomato to the more adventurous combinations like gorgonzola and pear or prosciutto and arugula. It's a playground for pizza lovers who like to experiment with flavors. And let's not forget the sauce. In Brooklyn-style pizza, the sauce is a star player, not just a supporting act. It's often rich, tangy, and slightly sweet, providing a perfect counterbalance to the savory toppings and the crispy crust. But what really sets Brooklyn-style pizza apart is its size. These pizzas are typically larger, with slices so big, they're often folded in half to eat. This makes for a hearty, satisfying meal that's meant to be savored, not rushed. Brooklyn-style pizza is a reflection of the borough it hails from, diverse, bold, and unafraid to stand out. It's a testament to the spirit of Brooklyn, where tradition and innovation coexist, creating something truly unique. So, next time you're in the mood for a slice, why not try the Brooklyn twist? It may not be the classic New York pizza you're used to, but it's an experience you won't want to miss. After all, variety is the spice of life, and Brooklyn-style pizza is a delicious testament to that. So that's the Brooklyn twist on the classic New York pizza. Thank you for taking this delicious journey with us, exploring the magic, the secrets, and the unique twists of New York and Brooklyn-style pizzas. We hope that we've stirred your appetite, and maybe even inspired you to try your hand at creating your own pizza masterpiece. Remember, whether it's the classic New York slice or the adventurous Brooklyn twist, pizza is more than just a meal. It's a testament to creativity, diversity, and the endless possibilities that come from a simple combination of dough, sauce, and toppings. So why not experiment with your own flavor combinations? Who knows, you might just create the next pizza sensation. If you've enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary journeys and travel inspirations. Stay tuned for our next delicious adventure. Until then, keep experimenting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep savoring the slice.